Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect Chatgpt to WhatsApp. First, navigate to your web browser and search for Zapier. Here, open the Zapier link from the search result. Now you can start free with the Google by clicking this option. So, choose your Google account and click Continue to sign into Zapier. Once logged in, go to the App tab on the left bar. Next, search for Chatgpt and click Continue right to it in the result. To allow access to your account, you need to enter the API key. To obtain this, open the Chatgpt website on your browser. Now click the profile icon in the top right corner and select My GPTs. Find the option related to API, so go to the Customize Chatgpt option. You can customize your GPTs if needed. If you can find API in setting, then search for API Chatgpt in your browser. After that, open the first link and click Login to log in to your account. You can continue with Google and choose your Google account to log in. After login, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, click the API keys tab on the left side. You can create a new secret key, so click this option and enter the name. Select project and then click Create Secret Key. Now, copy this key and paste it into the Zapier website to access your account. After the key, click Yes, Continue to Chatgpt. Once it is added, click the Zap option right to it. Then navigate to the App tab and search for WhatsApp. Following that, hit Connect right to it in the result. To allow access, provide your phone number and then click Send PIN. After that, enter the OTP code sent to your phone number and click Yes, Continue to WhatsApp notifications. Here, view its zaps by selecting the option on the right. Head back to the home page to select the Zap option. You'll see both apps here connected and you can now use Chatgpt with WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.